It has always been a question for scientists to think about Moon and its origin, because it can't explain it as a natural satellite which is that big. In fact, it is so much big that if it has its own orbit around Sun, we can call it as a planet. And which brings us to fundamental question: how is Moon became an Earth natural satellite? There are few theories that tell us the tale of our Moon by our friends, scientists, by the way. Here we are going to discuss three mainly theories which are mostly on top of explanation of our Moon. Number 1, capture theory. This theory was proposed by a scientist called Thomas Jefferson Jackson. He says that the Moon is once a planet, but eventually there was a one particular time where the Earth and Moon came very close, that the Earth gravitation force pulled the Moon out of its orbit and made it as a satellite. Which not at all correct, because it does not explain the physics in it. To switch between any two orbits you have to have some extra thrust or any kind of additional force which promotes to have an escape velocity from that orbit, just like a rocket. So this theory is a failure. Our next hypothesis or theory is fission theory. At starting, this theory looked very promising, but fission theories says that at early beginning of times, where the Earth is molten fluid planet, and when this molten Earth began rotating so rapidly that it flung off a mass of material into the space, and that formed the Moon. Although persuasive, the theory eventually failed when examined in detail. Scientists could not find a combination of properties for a spinning prototype Earth that would eject the right kind of prototype Moon. The math and practicality proved it wrong. That's it for today, guys. The continuation will be on part 2 of the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. I think we learned some interesting things about our Moon in today's session. Thanks for watching. This kind of videos take a lot of time and research and editing. So you are boosting energy behind this divine tree. You can motivate us through a like, sharing and subscribing. Let's meet in our next video. Until then, keep learning and have a great day.